everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. So in this video we will be learning when and how to use combination subtraction of 8. Let's take an example which is 9 plus 5 minus 8. Let me clear my tool first. So 9 plus 5 which is plus 10 minus 5 then minus 8. See, here the direct subtraction of 8 is not possible, but we need to subtract 8. Also, we are unable to use the big friend subtraction of 8. So, in this situation, how we can subtract 8? So, in such cases, we have to use the combination subtraction of 8. Let me first write the formula for combination subtraction of 8, then we will be solving some examples using this formula. As you know, the formula for big friend subtraction of 8 is minus 10 plus 2, right. So, now I will be writing this formula in the form of combination formula. So, minus 8 is minus 10. What is the formula for small friend addition of 2, which is plus 5 minus 3, okay. So, this is our formula for combination subtraction of 8. We will be using this formula for solving some examples. So, now let us solve the examples. Now, my tool is all set for the calculation. So, the first example here is 9 plus 5 minus 8, right. So, 9 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5, then minus 8. Here we are unable to subtract 8 directly, and also we can't use the big friend subtraction of 8. So, we will be using this formula to solve this example. So, minus 8 is minus 10 plus 5 minus 3. So, answer here is 6. Next example, 8 plus 5 minus 8. 8 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5, then minus 8. Minus 8 is minus 10 plus 5 minus 3. So, answer here is 5. Next example, 24 minus 8 plus 3. 24 minus 8 is minus 10 plus 5 minus 3, then plus 3. It can be done directly. So, answer here is 19. Next example, 4 plus 6 plus 4 minus 8. 4 plus 6 is plus 10 minus 4. Here I have used the big friend addition of 6, then plus 4, then minus 8. Minus 8 is minus 10 plus 5 minus 3. The answer here is 6. Next example, 2 plus 9 plus 3 minus 8. 2 plus 9 is plus 10 minus 1, then plus 3. It can be done directly, then minus 8. Minus 8 is minus 10 plus 5 minus 3. So, answer here is 6. Next example, 38 plus 2 minus 6 minus 8. 38 plus 2 is plus 10 minus 8. Here I used the big friend addition of 2, then minus 6 is minus 10 plus 4. Here I used the big friend subtraction of 6, then minus 8. Minus 8 is minus 10 plus 5 minus 3. So, answer here is 26. The last example, which is 71 plus 2 minus 8. 71 plus 2, it can be done directly, then minus 8 is minus 10 plus 5 minus 3. So, answer here is 65. We have solved all the examples using the formula minus 8 is minus 10 plus 5 minus 3. So, this is the formula for combination subtraction of 8. If you have any doubt, you can write me in the comment section below. So, if this video is helpful for you, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get all the notifications of my latest videos. Thank you everyone for watching.